Morning, students. Today our topic is adjectives and it's for grade 7. Now first of all we should know what is an adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun. An adjective describes a noun. Or you can say an adjective, it tells you something more about a noun. For example, we have pretty girl, a tall boy, the blue car. Here is pretty, tall and blue. It tells you something more about the nouns girl, boy and car. We have kinds of adjectives, and do you know how many kinds of adjectives are there? We have 7 different kinds of adjectives. The first one is proper adjective. An adjective formed from a proper noun is called a proper adjective. For example, we have American car, English movie. Now here, this American and English, these are the proper adjective and it tells you which kind of car and which movie. Second one is adjective of quality. An adjective of quality shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. For example, we are given a rich man and a new book. The rich and new, it tells you which kind of man and what kind of a book. Adjective of quality, this is the third kind of adjective. An adjective of quantity shows how much of a thing is meant. For example, summarize, little hope, a big meal. These words some, little and big, it tells you the quantity of something. The fourth one, a numeral adjective. Now this word numeral, it tells you that it's related to the number. A numeral adjective shows how many person or things are meant. For example, 3 books and 9th class. The fifth one, a demonstrative adjective. It points out which person or thing is meant. For example, we have this dog, that book, these boys. This dog means which dog? That book, it tells you about which book and these boys. So it demonstrates the adjective. And interrogative adjective. Now what is interrogative? The word interrogative is about the questioning words. So an interrogative adjective is used with nouns to ask questions. For examples, whose pen is this? Which way will you go? And where do you live? So these words whose, which and where, it tells you about the nouns. Whose pen? Which way? Where do you live? Seventh one, possessive adjective. It is used with noun to show possession. For example, my house, her father, our class. These words my, her and our, these are the possessive adjective. And you have to note down one thing here, that possessive adjectives are also called possessive pronouns. Now it's your homework time. And find what your homework is to find out at least 3 examples of each kind of adjective and write it in your notebooks. Thank you so much.